So friends, today I'll show you how to make game pass on Roblox on iPad. So guys, first of all, same process will be followed on mobile as well. Just open a browser and just go to roblox.com. Roblox.com. Now once you're here guys, just make sure here you have logged in successfully and just tap on create tab button over here. Now tap on this menu button over here and tap on this creation option, and now just tap on the experience you have. Tap on it. Now just tap on guys menu button over here and scroll down and you will see here passes option. Now here you can create your own game pass. Just tap on the create game pass, create a pass, and just enter the name of the game pass like FG. Enter the description and just tap on the create pass button. But it is not that enough. If you want to create a game pass and also want to add into please donate, so to add in please donate you have to tap on the new game pass that you have created, and now just tap on the menu button over here, and you will see here sales option in the list menu, and here you have to tap on the item for sale, enter the price here like 20 robux, and tap on save changes. Now if you want to add this game pass in the please donate, you just need to open your please donate game and just claim any stand. Your game pass will be listed there. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.